Okay, very good morning and welcoming very heavy rainy day. Monday, week starting first lecture, 10th B, geometry, chapter number 3, circle. Point 1 we have completed, then two circle touching externally, two circle touching internally, diagrams and formulas we have done. Now, 3.2 in your unit test, in algebra chapter number 1 and 2, in geometry chapter number 1, 2 and 3 up to 3.2, two circle having radii 3.5, 4.8 touching internally. So first question, radii 1 3.5 centimeter, radii 2 4.8 centimeter, two circle touching internally. In exam also you will write the same. Therefore, distance between two center is equal to bigger minus smaller. When it is touching internally, you have to subtract 4.8 minus 3.5 is equal to 1.3 centimeter. Second, radii 1 5.5 centimeter, radii 2 2.2 centimeter, 4 point. Now, now now it is clear. Now say thus very good. Okay, radius 1, radius 2, now same, but two circle touching instead of internally means like that, externally means like that. So distance between to center is equal to R1 plus R2. So 5.5, 4.2, 9.7 centimeter. This much is 9.7 centimeter. Simple. When two circle touching internally, bigger radii minus smaller radii. When two circle touching externally, radii 1 plus radii 2. Out of this two, question 1 will definitely they'll ask. So clear your concept. Number may be the different, but two position only. Internally subtraction, bigger minus smaller. Externally addition, smaller plus bigger or bigger plus smaller will be the same. Now they have asked both 4 and 2.8. Question number 3. Radii 1 is equal to 4 centimeter. Radii 2 is equal to 2.4 centimeter. Is it 2.8 centimeter? Case number 1. Two circle touching externally like this. So distance between two circles is equal to R1 plus R2 is equal to 4 plus 2.8 is equal to 6.8 centimeter. You can write distance A. This is case number 1. Case 2. Two circle touching internally. You don't need to draw the diagram. Distance between two circle R1 minus R2, 4 minus 2.8, 1.2 centimeter. So when they'll ask to find out the distance between two center, you have to clear that it is touching internally or externally. If it is internally, then subtract. If it is externally, then add. Next, this is a very good example. 4th and 5th mark, very important. From touching point, one common secant is given. Okay, now PQRAB this is P, this is Q, this is R, this is A, this is B. Now try to understand the diagram first. AB, PA is equal to PR and QR is equal to QB. Radii of the same circle, and this equal to this because vertically opposite. So this equal to this. So this equal to this isosceles triangle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, all 4 angles are congruent. That we will show. If you have any network problem, you just tell me, okay? And in very heavy rain, don't go outside. Drink only boiled water. Don't eat food from outside. To take care of your health first, because each and every students are like my son and daughter. So this is my special request, and obey all rules and regulation and follow the instruction from parents also. Don't be so jiddi. What to prove? To prove that AP is parallel to BQ. Second, to prove APR RQB. Third, RQB is equal to how much? APAR is equal to 35. This degree is 35. Slow and steady. Okay. In triangle APR, PA is equal to PR, radii of same circle. If two sides are equal, two angles are equal. Angle A, congruent angle ARP. Whose mic is on? In these two in this triangle, this equal to this, therefore this equal to this. Now same I will write for in triangle RQB, QR, congruent QB, radii of same circle. Therefore angle B, congruent QRB, is equal to Y. This is YY, this is XX. Isosceles triangle. What I have taken, these are equal, these are equal. So these are XX, so these are YY. Now these are vertically opposite. This and these. Angle ARP is equal to angle QRB. Vertically opposite angle. So this is first pair, this is second pair, this is third pair. XX, YY, if X and Y are equal, so these X and Y are also equal. Therefore, angle A congruent angle B. From first pair, second pair, third pair. In and out, in and out, in and out, how you can concentrate. And who is that red DP full on with bike and all that? Shreyas. Again, this x is equal to this x, this y is equal to this y, then this x is equal to this y. Therefore, this x is equal to this y. So if it is equal, so it forms a z. It's disconnected. Okay, so it is Z. So first automatically it is proved. AP parallel to BQ. Z means alternate angle theorem. Because of wave, no frequency problem is there. That's my screen is clear now. Okay, now clear. That's now clear. Now we'll wait just 10 seconds. Now it must be. Is it okay now, Dax? Dax, voice and screen clear. There are lots of wire and I can't move here. Okay, for alternate, okay. And this is isosceles, this is isosceles. So, two isosceles triangle always similar. Triangle okay, now and this we have written, second pair we can second pair we have written this. So this equal to this equal to this. So triangle APR similar, not congruent. RQB by AA triangle, AA test. Why? Because X and X are congruent, Y and Y are congruent. So X and X congruent, Y and Y congruent. So one pair congruent, one pair congruent, second pair congruent. So both the triangles are similar by say. Okay. Now RQB. These and these are 35. I will take that is Z. When it is open, it becomes dry. In triangle RQB, Y plus Y plus Z, it is 180. Y, sum of three angles of triangle 180, correct? So these two are given 35 plus 35 plus Z 180, 70 plus Z 180, Z 180 minus 70, Z it is 110 degree. So Z is what? Measure angle P or measure angle Q, that is 110. This is by substitution, by simplifying. This is also by simplifying. Again the network is at bottom level. Okay, one more problem is remain. You just take a screenshot. So no need to refer full video, and you can write in your notebook, workbook, because both questions are same in workbook or textbook. You have to maintain workbook. Just listen every day. I am telling you. Take a screenshot. We have some time, so we can finish last problem also. Stay at home only. Don't go outside to enjoy monsoon. It is harmful for your health. Don't eat outside and drink only boiled water. This is a straight line. Smaller circle, bigger circle. This is a touching point. Center A center B, tangent point D, tangent point C. Big diagram is required because inside the diagram only we will substitute. This is given perpendicular, this is given perpendicular, this is common point, this is E. A, B, C, D, E given. So compared to this line, it's very slippery. To this line, we will draw parallel line. So this will be 90, this will be 90, this will be F. So this part will be rectangle. 4 radii, it is given 4 centimeter. This is given 6 centimeter. So this is 6 centimeter. So this is 4 centimeter. CD question. So CD is X. So AF also is X. Now each and everything I will write. This is the diagram. My first step is AC is equal to AE is equal to 4 centimeter. Radii of same circle. If this is 4, then this is 4. Second, BE is equal to BD is equal to 6 centimeter. Radii of same circle. This is 6, so this is 6. Third, therefore AB is equal to AE plus EB. Addition of segment. So AB is equal to 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 centimeter. So this much is 10 centimeter. Same. DB is equal to DF plus FB. Addition of segment. This is given 6. DF. This is a rectangle, so this is also 4. Plus FB. Substitution. 7. So FB is equal to 2 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. Now 8. AF is equal to CD is equal to X centimeter. Sides of rectangle. So this is X. Now I will draw this much. A, F, B. So AB is equal to given 10. This is X. This is 2. Follow. In right angle triangle. AFB. AB square is equal to AF square plus FB square. Pythagoras theorem. 10 square, 2 square, AF means X square, BF means 2 square. Okay, so this is 100. 4. Substitution. Simplify. 4 less, so 96. So X square. X is equal to under root 96. So x 16 6 so 16 we can take out 4 root 6. So this is 4 root 6, 4 root 6, 4 root 6. Therefore CD is equal to AF is equal to 4 root 6 centimeter. Okay, and before that we will write AF perpendicular DB construction. Measure angle C is equal to measure angle D is equal to 90. Tangent segment theorem, tangent segment perpendicular theorem. Therefore ACD F is rectangle. This is a rectangle. Like this, very stepwise you have to write. 4, 4, 6, 6. I have drawn perpendicular, so 4 is equal to 4. Out of 6, 4 reduce 2. So this is 2, this is 6, this is question. So in Pythagoras I have substituted two value. 10 square minus 4 square. 100 minus 4. 96. 96. 16 4s are. So 16 4s are 96. So 4, 16 square root is 4. Root 6 will be root 6. So final this. That is the opposite side of rectangle. This is 4 4. This is 4 root 6 4 root 6. Very systematic you have to write, with reason you have to write, simple calculation you have to do. Take screenshot.